Jyoti Shukla, you are watching Agribusiness News. Let's start with latest updates. Force Motors rose as much as 5% to hit an intraday high of 1,555.40 after the company post-market hours reported its sales and production number for the month of September. Force Motor domestic sales in September advanced 39% to 1,968 units compared with 1,418 units sold during the same month last year. Its production in September jumped 44% to 2,159 units. Force Motor sales from export jumped 25% to 272 units, the company exchange filing showed. Agritech startup Agrostar is raising INR 53 crore in a funding round led by Avishkar Bharat Fund, Excel India, Bertelsmann. The fresh infusion is a part of the startup Series D round. The startup is raising INR 47.3 crore from Avishkar Bharat Fund, Excel India and Bertelsmann by allotting a total of 1,68,178 Series E compulsory convertible preference shares at an issue price of INR 2,816. It is worth noting that UK-based CDC Group has disclosed that it has invested in Agrostar through Avishkar Emerging India Fund, which is managed by Avishkar Venture Management Services. Ambuja Cement Foundation launches a quick response platform. The digital platform included all training materials and can be stored for a longer period of time. Overcoming the challenge of storing reading material, the QR platform provides information to farmers anytime and anywhere. Neeraj Akhoury, MD and CEO of Ambuja Cement Limited, said, "Community well-being is deeply ingrained in our culture and integrates us with the wider world. Skilling farmers with the right knowledge can help improve the productivity of agricultural land, thus improving yields and their developments." Foundation for Food and Agriculture Research and Syngenta Foundation for Sustainable Agriculture are requesting research proposals that increase climate-smart agriculture in India, Kenya and Bangladesh. The request for proposal is part of AG Mission, a partnership formed by FFAR, US Farmers and Rancher in Action and World Farmer Organization to develop an implementation climate-smart farming solution. FFAR and SFSA invite institutions to submit a proposal to provide analysis that increase understanding of the climate-smart agriculture policy, ecosystem and implementation across India, Kenya and Bangladesh. Legend Seed announces the acquisition of the Kusmol Seed Company out of Mount Hope, Wisconsin. The acquisition enables Legend Seeds to grow business within and outside of their existing footprint. The acquisition of the Kusmol Seed Company business fits well with Legend Seed because of the shared pride in the independence and similar philosophies on the importance of looking across all germplasm suppliers to find the products to meet specific grower needs. Principal Advisor to the Chief Minister Asit Tripathi reviewed the final preparedness for an Odisha Agriculture Conclave. As many as 69 national level aggregators as well as agriculture producers have confirmed to participate in the conclave to be held on 8 October at the Convention Hall at the Lok Sabha Bhavan. A dedicated website has been created for the conclave. E-registration, e-invitation, brochure, etc. are finalized for the event. In the second part of the conclave, 5 business sessions are planned. Agriculture and Farmer Empowerment Department Secretary Suresh Kumar Vasist explained regarding the preparation for the program. Krishi Jagran will organize Facebook Live program on 9 October 2021 at 9 am with Jagriti Avasthi, who got second rank in UPSC. Krishi Jagran and Agriculture World founder editor-in-chief MC Dominic will interact with UPSC rank holder Jagriti Avasthi on the topic "Let us inspire agri-rural India." 110th All India Farmers Fair and Agro-Industrial Exhibition will be organized by G.V. Pant University of Agriculture and Technology, Pantnagar from 7 to 10 October 2021 at Pantnagar, Uttarakhand. It will attract large number of agro-industrial firms and farmer major activities, sales of quality seeds and planting materials, animal shows, fisheries production, exhibition, horticulture shows, scientific exhibition and field visits. Krishi Jagran organizes a webinar through Kerala Facebook page live on Wednesday at 6 pm. Theme of this webinar is "How Mushroom Farmers are Taken for a Drive and Cheated." The speaker of this webinar are mushroom farmers and founder and editor-in-chief of Krishi Jagran, MC Dominic. For more such updates, keep watching Krishi Jagran. Thank you.